Hello, my dear students. So, today we will start our new chapter, Human Nutrition. And in this chapter, we will study about the histological structure of alimentary canal. So, the whole entire gastrointestinal tract is lined by four basic layers. So, what are those four basic layers? Serosa, muscularis, submucosa, and mucosa. Here this is a section of the gastrointestinal tract. Here you can see the outermost portion, that is called serosa. The next layer is muscularis, which is made up of two layers, inner circular and outer longitudinal. Together they form the muscularis. The next is the submucosa. Then the innermost is the mucosa. And mucosa, the centermost portion, lumen, is there. So this lumen is surrounded by the mucosa. Fine. So four layers: serosa, muscularis. Here muscularis is made up of two, inner circular and outer longitudinal. Then submucosa, then mucosa. These are the four basic layers of gastrointestinal tract, which is lined by this. Okay. Now we will study in detail of these four basic layers. Here you can see this is the enlarged portion. This one is the enlarged section, enlarged portion of this section of the stomach. Okay. Now here also you can see these four layers are serosa, muscularis, submucosa and mucosa. So one by one we will study about each. The first one is the serosa. It is the outermost layer and it is made up of squamous epithelium. Okay. And that is called mesothelium. Okay, so this serosa is made up of squamous epithelium and that is called mesothelium. And inner layer is of the connective tissue. So serosa, it is the outermost layer made up of the layer of squamous epithelium, which is called mesothelium, and the inner layer is of connective tissues. Fine. The next one is a muscularis. Now this layer is formed of smooth muscles. This muscularis is made up of smooth muscles. Okay, and these muscles are usually arranged in the concentric manner. In my previous slide, just I have shown that muscularis is made up of outermost layer. Okay, shows the longitudinal muscles, and the inner one they shows the circular one, isn't it? Now outer one is of longitudinal muscle and inner is the circular one. Now this muscularis externa is responsible for segmental contraction and peristaltic movement also in the gastrointestinal tract. This is the function of the muscularis layer. Next one is the submucosa. It is formed of the loose connective tissue. This submucosa, it is made up of or formed of loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. And this containing, submucosa containing the blood vessels and lymph vessels and even the nerves. And duodenal, this one, submucosa, shows the presence of glands also. Okay. Now the last layer, that is the mucosa. This inside this lumen, okay, this lumen of the alimentary canal is lined with this mucosa layer throughout the length of alimentary canal. The mucosa layer shows the presence of goblet cells, and these goblet cells secretes mucus. What it secretes? Mucus. And the function of this mucus is to lubricate the alimentary canal. Fine. And this layer, mucosa layer, shows the modification in different regions of the alimentary canal, such as mucosa in the case of the stomach region, this one. Okay, here they have the irregular fold-like structure and that is called rugae. So this mucosa in the stomach region is having the fold-like irregular structure that is called rugae. And in stomach mucosa layer, that forms the gastric glands also, which secretes gastric juice. Okay, so in the case of stomach. Now, mucosa of the small intestine, from here, the small intestine, isn't it? See, this is having a finger-like projections called villi. Now, villi, these villi are supplied with a network of capillaries and lymph vessels. The major function of villi is to absorb the nourishment, the digested food material, and then pass it to the blood, isn't it? Through the blood vessels. So this is all about the four basic layers of the gastrointestinal tract. What are those? Serosa, muscularis, submucosa and mucosa. So in this way we have finished the histological structure of the alimentary canal. Thank you.